Thank you for making me part of your day. And what we're going to do with this day is paint models from Warhammer 40K's Leviathan box set. So go ahead and grab your Skywalker glove and let's get a painting. But before we can get to that painting, you gotta listen to a message from one of the Sophies.
Hi, I'm Sophie, won the 700 Selfless Promotion Succubus. It's been 2 seconds, so by now you should be in my power. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Oh, and if you think we did a really good job and want to help us grow, leave us some love on the thanks heart. Now go watch Bald Ross do his sweet thing, making models ting, then watch the end of the video for a surprise.
My people, I'm going to go ahead and start off by painting our Barbgaunt here with our airbrush, and we're going to go ahead and do all of our pre-shade with black. Now that our pre-shade has dried, we're going to go ahead and reload Mr. Little Old Airbrush, and this time we're going to get the carapace parts with Scarlet Red. Next, what I'm going to do here, my people, is go ahead and grab my large dry brush, or even better, Mr. Poofy Makeup Brush, and we're going to get all of the details on the model here with white. What I'm going to do next here is I'm going to stick with the color white, but I'm going to swap out for my base coating brush, and I'm going to get all the parts later that I want to show up real bright and accent the colors, like the little circular bits in between the guns and whatnot, and we're just going to go ahead and make those stand out. Tagging back in Mr. Poofy makeup brush, what I'm going to do next is go ahead and get that carapace layer again with Angron Red. I'm going to go ahead and swap over to my basin brush, and we're going to load up that basin brush with some bloody red color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the parts of the carapace and the guns that I still want to be the same color, but because we're using a different brush, it's going to make the layers of our carapace look just a little bit different. And we want our Barbgaunts here to have some scary, proper sci-fi bug guns, so we're going to start filling in those parts with dark green. I'm going to go ahead now, my people, and bring back the basin brush and go over all those parts we painted brighter with the basin brush white, and now we're going to go over those with bile green. Next thing I'm going to do here, my people, is I'm going to go ahead and bring back Mr. Poofy Makeup Brush, and I'm going to go ahead now and get the shade and fade going here with Drucci Violet. I'm next going to go ahead and start adding to the layer redundancy on the guns here, and what I'm going to use for that is either a medium dry brush or number 3 makeup brush, and I'm going to go ahead and get our guns with some white. Now that particular last layer has dried, I'm going to go ahead and turn back to Mr. Airbrush, and I'm going to load him up with some lively green, and we're going to make this model truly start to pop. It's now time again for our detail brush, and I want all the little tiny areas of those tentacles to show up real nice, and to make sure everything just kind of goes real good together, we're going to turn to do that with Drucci Violet. Alright, and finally, we're going to show the base of our model some love, and we're going to frost them up real good with some tacky glue, courtesy of our molding tool, and then we're going to flip them all over in backwards, doing the pebble plunge.
What you've all been waiting for, the smoky reveal. Thanks for watching. If you want Studio Baldross to paint something for you, check out the links on the homepage or Etsy. And don't forget to click on our other videos.